We're live here at the 2026 ADI Exposition here at Congress Center in Toronto, Canada. And I'm here with Todd Watts. He's the president for PLG Manufacturers Representatives. So Todd, welcome to the Delmi Training Institute's edition of the ADI Expo. I guess I've been crossing paths with you everywhere I go. But what is so unique about the ADI Expo 2026 that made you want to come and exhibit?
Well, it's the opportunity to be able to see the dealers that are going through the ADI company, right? So it's a great place to see people that you may not be able to see all the time. They come in, they want to learn about products. They're here for a reason. They're not just here to walk around and waste time. They want to know what you got and what you're showing. So it's a great opportunity to come in. I have several vendors here that I represent, and I get some of the vendors in as well, and we get a chance to communicate with people one-on-one.
What vendors or what manufacturers does PLG represents? So
today we're showing Alula. I have AWID, which are readers for access control. I have Speco for video access and audio. I've got Trendnet for switches and access points. I got STI for all those accessory pieces for fire and security. And then I got the Platinum tools, which obviously for your networking connections, your cable, accessory pieces, and things that make stuff work between police.
All right, I'm excited for this show. I don't know how excited you are, and I'm looking forward to the sheer volume of people that are going to come through those doors once the exhibition opens. But today, I want us to talk about a few products that you have here. I want us to talk about the Alula line of products that you are repping, the M2M. This is an award-winning product.
Absolutely.
So what is so unique about this cellular single stand-alone access control panel that has made it such a disruptor in the access control industry?
It's the ability to put it anywhere. I don't need to tie into an infrastructure. I put it where I need it to be. I give it the power. And through cell, I talk to it. I can have something in the middle of nowhere. As long as you have cell signal, put it out there, controlling gates or controlling devices, and you don't need to actually hardwire it into an infrastructure to get your information back out. So nobody else has anything like that out there. It's a recurring revenue stream for the dealer. Because it's $5 US a month for the service, which they're gonna sell to their customer. Why you have that? Well, you need access to the system, right? This is why you're doing that. So recurring revenue streams, which adds value to the access system. The more accounts you have, the current revenue, the more the value of your company is.
Well, also as part of this product, one of the key features is got multi-SIM.
If Rogers goes down, eventually it's going to go and find Bell or TELUS, whoever's the next one in the areas, it's going to reconnect to that guy and continue communicating.
It's a seamless process. You don't have to do anything.
No, it's going to do it in the background. If it goes offline, it's going to start looking. So, okay, where are you? Okay, that guy's closest, better signal. I'm going to lock into that one, and then it's going to continue running.
Can you tell me about the fact that this unit comes pre-programmed and all you just have to do is install it and power it up?
Yeah, it's very simple and easy. On the cell side, it's just going to find the signal. And then you're going to program it who the users are going to be using, whether it's using WeGAN, whether it's using the NFC credentials, so it's going to be to a phone, for example, so we can provide the tap that way, or if I'm going to log into it through the app itself, through the cell, and say, hey, release that device.
So Alula, from my understanding, is also another disruptor in the industry. Here you guys have what you call the translator, meaning that you're able to take out legacy devices or any other device and bring it onto Alula with very ease of installation. And this allows you not to replace the existing motion sensors, door contact. Can you tell us how this translator from Alula works?
There's a couple of things we have. So if they're hardwired zones, we have an expander that takes 8 zones of hardwired in, and then we send it wirelessly. You can select my frequency to go to my panel. You can select power series wireless, so the power is the old DSC panels. I can choose Honeywell on there for the Honeywell 5800 series wireless. So if they have those things in there, I can transfer that all over that way. I have a translator module that lets me choose Honeywell and spit out DSC or choose whatever, right? So I can do that. But my panel also is a translator. So you have the old legacy Honeywell wireless, you have the old legacy Power Series DSC wireless or Interlogix. Product works out there, but the panels are starting to die because they're older.
Yeah.
A lot of other companies, the options, I walk in, I got to go and throw all those devices out and put a whole new system in. My panel, I can walk in and say, okay, I want to learn Honeywell. Now I can go in, I can learn all those devices that are out there that are wireless into the system.
Right.
So in an hour, I can upgrade a system into new technology utilizing apps, and I can add cameras, I can add Z-Wave and do some automation and learn all the devices in.
Right.
And it's a very quick, easy install.
There's so much for us to see here at the 2026 ADI Expo. I'm excited. And as we continue to go through this series, talking to manufacturers representatives like PLG, as well as manufacturers and integrators and vendors who are all going to be under this roof once the door opens, I'm so excited. What is that one key takeaway?
Look at the options to do things differently, more efficiently, and save time and money.
Folks, it's Todd Watts with PLG Manufacturers Representative, representing a wide variety of products, including Alula and M2M. Until then, thank you very much for taking the time to talk to me about all these cutting-edge technologies.
Thank you.
Keep watching, folks. We'll see you on the next one.